Microsoft's Power BI allows you to combine data from different sources and turn it into really meaningful information. At Happy, we offer 2 workshops, and this video explains what you'll learn during the training and gives just a small taste about what we love about it. Businesses have masses of data, and typically that data is stored in Excel workbooks like these. When you need to create management reports, you often need to use VLOOKUPs and other formulas to combine, then clean the data, and it can be really time-consuming to keep the reports up to date. Here's an example of those 2 Excel workbooks visualized in Power BI. This example is what we will create during the one-day introductory workshop. We'll show you how easy it is to create this interactive report. I love how you can click on a bar in a chart or a slice of a pie chart and drill into the data. In one click, I've changed the report to see the top 10 female earners and their average age and average service. Anyone viewing the report can quickly change the focus and look at the information that's of interest to them. Reports are created in the desktop tool, and during the training you'll be shown how to get data into Power BI using different sources. The most common one, of course, being Excel, but we can also get data from the web, and you can copy and paste. The Power Query Editor is where you do the work of cleaning up and transforming the data. On the first workshop, we'll look at some of the really useful tools, such as splitting columns, replacing values, and creating calculations. On the second workshop, we'll look again at this very powerful tool and some of the other features, and that's using merge and append queries, and some example exercises, such as combining all the files in one folder into one data source, or all the worksheets in one Excel workbook into one table. You'll become really confident with working with the steps of the queries, and even learn a little of the M language. Power BI comes with lots of visualizations, and you'll learn how to create funnel charts, pie charts and maps, as well as tables and cards, slices, and including other objects like pictures and text boxes and frames. You'll understand what data modeling means, in particular how to create relationships between the different tables of data, and we'll show you how to create measures using DAX. If you're familiar with Excel formulas, you'll find these very straightforward. The second course builds on the learning from the first workshop, and where possible we'll try and schedule them back to back, so you get the opportunity to attend both days if you can. This is typical of an example we can create on level 2, where we look at some different visualizations like gauges and conditional formatting. This example pulls data directly from a website which has currency values, and when you click refresh, the up-to-date data is pulled directly from the website. It's the analytical tools that I think are amazing. Let me show you what I mean. With this example, there's a clear increase from February to March, but I'd like to know what's behind that increase. So I right-click, choose Analyze, and I have 2 options to explain the increase and find where that distribution is different. Here the analysis shows me that the salespeople, Serena and Keith, accounted for the majority of the increase in those 2 months. And if I like that chart, I can simply click to add it to my report. Once you've created the reports, you can print them as a PDF, or of course choose to publish them, either to the cloud or to an on-premise service. During the Level 2 workshop, we'll follow through an example of how you can publish your report. If you'd like more details about what's covered in the courses, have a look at the outlines that are on our website, or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.